Shwt ni'n edrych? Llawr. Bore da, gobeithio pawb yn iawn. Ewn ni aros 10 eiliad. Gobeithio mae pawb yn gwisgo dillad addas. Mae bach o lle, okay? Hopefully everyone's okay this morning. It's Friday then. Can't sing, but you get the idea. Digon o lle, okay? Comfortable clothing, something on your feet. Make sure mae bach o dŵr. Make sure you got some water. What else have we got? Oh, fel arfer, like usual, I like to show you a plant. Running out of plants. Sunflower seeds tro yma. March, okay, mis Mawrth. This is when you start putting the seeds down. So come back to me in a few months. 6 footers, yeah. Or not, depends. Okay, Ffit Yn 5. 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises, 30 seconds, break, 30 seconds. That's one, okay? So heddi, mae gyda ni side plank. Ni wedi gwneud hwnna o blaen. Na dangos i'ch pan fi ar y llawr. Side plank, ni mewn yr ochr, hips lan, a ni'n garw fel na. We're keeping it like this. You can put your arm in the air, okay? If that helps, and we really want to keep the hips up. 30 seconds, break, a we swap o droso, with a core. Squat jumps, 9 squat, okay? Fel arfer, like we're sitting into a chair, knees, bending, a pop o lan. Okay, so we're going to go down. Mae hwn yn tough, with our quads, bach o pŵer, we're going to work a bit of power. Hamstring bridge. Sa'n credu ni wedi wneud hwn, okay? Thing is, it could be a new one. So, ar y llawr, imagine we're doing it in between. Knees aren't up all the way, but they're not all the way down on the floor. Oh, and you cannot see my feet. Oh, there we go. Kind of on that. We're going to go a bit halfway-ish, okay? So, ni'n mynd fel na, and you're just going to use our elbows. We're going to pop up. It doesn't look hard, but this is what's working. Hamstrings yn gweithio. 30 eiliad off, 30 eiliad arall. Really dda hamstrings, okay? Deceiving. Mae'n llosgi. Hamstring, calf raises, okay? Eto, ni dy sefyll, mynd ar tippy toes, a lawr. You can make it harder by counting. 1, 2. 1, 2. Count it. Don't just go up and down. You can do tempo. Fel ni'n gweud, mae 3 peth chi'n gallu wneud i switch o popeth lan. Okay? 3 things you can do. Tempo. Hwnna'r tempo. Time. Okay. Get the tempo. 1, 2. We can put weight on. So mae da fi fan hyn, actually, backpack, gyda weights mewn. So ti'n gallu troi hwnna arnos di wneud y squats neu beth bynnag. Our timings hefyd, you can make them a lot longer, hold them. So yn lle wneud squats fel na, hold the squat. Am 30 eiliad. Okay, fi'n creu mae Shred a Steve wedi wneud stwff o fel blaen. So tempo is how long you're doing it for. A time, holding something. Fel os ti'n wneud biceps, holding halfway, lan i chi. A benni off, because it's Friday, achos fi'n teimlo mor hapus, burpees. Yeah. Fi'n gwneud y cwbl o weithiau. Dim clue beth o'na. Burpees. Okay? Ni'n mynd i trwy mo lan gynta, a fi'n mynd i rhoi bach o music arno achos di gwen yn yw e. Nobody sue me if I'm playing music. A off a ni. Pawb yn hapus? Good. Okay. Dechrau bach o marcho. Knees yn dod lan. Hamstrings fi'n dait. Just wneud hwnna. Good. Opposite cyferbyn, okay? So we're not going opposite. Boom. Bit quicker. So we want the heart rate to go up. We want our muscles to get a bit warmer, blood going to the muscles. You paratoi to prepare us for exercise. Okay. I am. When we go in, stop. Can we get the shoulders rolling? Backwards, mynd nôl. Cadw fynd, keep going. And forwards. Achos mae'r cerddoriaeth arno, because the music's on, we're going to incorporate some dance moves. Nawr, fi'n gwybod beth chi'n meddwl. I know what you're thinking. Steph, can you dance? Not really. But I try. Okay? So just i ddechrau side steps. That's not dancing, isn't it? Os chi'n weld fi mewn priodas, if you see me in a wedding, this is what I do. A wedding, arms are going to come up and make circles. This is Steph down shot. Good. Fel arfer, I would do this to the music, but ni'n teimlo am. And we're going to do side steps back, circles back in. Side step, da iawn. Okay, shiglo fe mas. Jumps back. Get the arms going. A fi'n galw pistols, okay? Chi wedi weld Men in Black, falle? Maybe you've seen Men in Black? Pistols! Wah! Wah! Dwylo mynd. Bounce yn y canol. Falle. Steps bach a ti'n mynd mewn. Bach a nôl. Steps bach. A nôl. Shiglo fe mas. Feed the chickens, okay? Un coes mas and seat, one leg out straight. The other one's going to pop into a little seat. Feed the chicken. Ni'n neud coesau, bach o coesau heddi. Yn gwybod na ffrwydd neud bach o cardio gyda chi ddoi. Da iawn. Okay. Just march and hold. 2, 3, 4. Lawr. Good. And ochr arall other side. March up. 2, 3, 4. One more each side. A wedyn ni dechrau. 2, 3, 4. Ochr arall. 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay. Pawb I cael sip. Sip o dŵr. Ni'n mynd I dechrau'r side plank. Okay. Pawb yn gwybod beth I wneud gyda'r side plank. Ochr. Elbows lawr. Hips lan. Okay. 30 eiliad yn mynd I weithio. All right. Side plank. Gobeithio pawb yn barod. A lan. T-shirt bach yn baggy, ond mae hips fi'n reit lan, okay? Feet stack ar ben I gilydd, on top of each other. Os mae'n helpu, edrych lan. If not, you can just keep looking at me. Gweithio core fan hyn, mae'n teimlo fe. Solid. Ac mae'n gweithio. Da iawn. Ni'n cael break bach, a wedyn ni swap o draw. Gobeithio plans neis gyda chi ar y penwythnos. Aston Villa chwarae tîm fi, so siwr fod byddai crio heno. Pawb barod. Hips lan. Dynasty. Da iawn. Hips lan. Cadw fynd. Really good. I'm gallu gael coch. I can see red. Oh, what ages? Cadw fynd. Cadw nadlu. Don't hold your breath. Keep breathing. Da iawn. 1. Done. Squat gyda jump, okay? So, fel o'n i gweud, wneud siwr ti'n digon o lle gyda chi. Ni'n mynd i wneud squat a pop o lan. Okay? Cofia, pengliniau soft pan chi'n dod yn ôl lawr, not straight legs. Be sydd â ni? Welsh National Anthem, joio. Setlo, lan. Os chi'n gallu, neu os chi moyn, you can go a bit quicker fel hyn, neu just time o fe. Just off y llawr a lawr. Good. Dig eiliad. Da iawn chi. Beats yn dod lan. Rygbi ar y penwythnos? Big game. Big game. 8 eiliad. Starting to sweat. Pa'n barod? Lawr. Da iawn. Hands lan i chi. Be chi moyn neud yn dwylo? Fi'n cadw o flan fi. You can put them at the sides. At top of ben. Up to you. Llosgi now. It's burning my quads, okay? And that's good. It's not a sharp pain. Just fel gweithio galed. So cyferbyn, we're going to work opposite. So we did the quads. Now we need hamstrings like Kevin. Fi angen cael lle so ti'n gallu gweld fi. O flan. So we're not high with the knees. We're not flat. Okay? Hey, Mr. Ev. Just a little bend. Lawr. And up on your heels, okay? Toes point into the sky. I hold it there. Oh, hammies. Hey, Mr. Come on then. Cadw fynd. Hamstrings. Da iawn. So hwnna beth ni'n gweud. You can add weights to things. Fan pawb yn mynd neud y gym. Tempo. Pan chi'n mynd lawr a lawr yn slower. Neu time. At the moment, we're holding it. So mae'n just gweithio trwy amser. Pawb o lawr. Hips lan. Hamstrings yn gweithio. Oh, Mr. Gwyrdd. Cadw fynd. Cadw nadlu, keep breathing. Burn in the hamstrings. Keep working, dim lot ar ôl. He says. Good. Da iawn. Oh, that was a toughie. Okay. Calf raises, okay? So we need tiptoes. So we can either go up and down or time it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Lan a lawr. You can add a bag, neu beth bynnag to increase the weight. So your calves are having to lift extra. Okay. Hefyd, you could do 1 foot if you wanted. But I know my calves aren't very good, so you're going to need nice and slow tempo, lan a lawr. Cadw nadlu. Hefyd, chi'n gallu rhoi rhywbeth ar ben chi, cadw balans. Ochr cydbwysedd. Mr Rhythm really helpu mi mynd trwyddo yn da iawn. Good. Ond fi yn mynd I saf. Beth sy'n mynd ar? Ynys Gwyn. Good. Oh, hamstrings. Llosgi. Okay, a to. Nice and slow lan. A control lawr. Lan, slow lawr. Lan. Lawr. Lan. Lawr. Da iawn. Un arall I fynd, and ni'n done. Save the best till last, he says. Burpees, burpees. Mi'n drop o'r llawr, dwylo mas, hands out. Kick o mas, okay. Lan, a jump. A wedyn, repite, repite. Ffraneg, fi'n credu, French. Repite. Don't quote me on that. Watch your toe. Good. A lawr. Mae hwn yn tough. Do what you can. So fi'n ras, it's not a race. Do what you can. Good. Kick mas. Da iawn. Cofia, everybody's different. Okay, so say yn ysgol, a chi ar bwys rhywun, and they do it a lot faster, hwnna'n fine. Okay? Don't worry, go at your own speed. Os chi'n adre, erbyn mam neu dad, trio, well, curo nhw. Try beat them if you're home with mum and dad. I don't recommend burpees gyda mangi a ci. Dibynnu ar oedran, depending on their age. Alan. Good. Pump eiliad, go on, un arall. Ding, ding, ding. Cerdded round, walk around in your space. And now do trwy. Breathe in through your nose. Out through your mouth. March the keg. Okay. Bach o dŵr. Da iawn. Okay. Y stretch cyntaf fi'n mynd I wneud, mynd I dal am y tro ma, fel bwyd o'r cywiad, like feeding the chickens, but we're going to hold it, okay? So, i'r ochr, so chi'n allu weld, my right leg, pluggy, going to bend my right leg, left leg mas, lawr fel fi'n eistedd mewn cader, my left leg is straight, hamstring, oh, hamstring bridge na, unrhyw un arall yn teimlo hwnna? Oof, hold it, swap. So left leg is going to bend this time, right leg straight, flat on the floor. Eistedd mewn I so ni'n gallu teimlo. Cerddoriaeth wedi mynd. My playmix? Playlist neu remix? Da iawn. Tro ma quads, okay, so ni wedi stretcho rhain. Mae rhain wedi cael ei gweithio heddi. So, pigo coes lan y cefn. Hold your foot. A dal fe. You should feel a stretch on your quad. Good balance. Core. Okay, ni wedi bod gweithio core heddi. Na neis. Swap o draw. Gael y balance. Coes lan. And Kevin. Da iawn. Good. Fi wedi cael y coffee machine newydd. Fi wedi cael espresso bach neis nawr. Okay, da iawn. Wedyn, just feet apart, okay, wider than your hips. Just mynd I slow fach, trio touch y llawr. Dala fe na, hold it there. If you can't touch the floor, that's fine. Don't worry, go as far as you can and hold it. You should feel it back of your legs, okay? A slow bach iawn, hips mas bach. Good. Fel ma Steve yn hoffi gweud, okay, fi'n mynd dod lawr. Cwtch bach, give yourself a little hug. Oh. Nice. A lawr. Un arall. Cwtch, 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 cwtch. Cwtch, cwtch, cwtch. Ah, job done. Siglo fe mas. Sa'n siŵr am bit I chi. Don't know about you. Mae fe'n helpu fi mas, gweithio mas. Okay, fi'n teimlo fel, fi'n mynd I cael coffi nawr, fi'n mynd I cario ymlaen gwaith fi, mae'n really helpu wneud rhywbeth fel ymarfer corff neu chwaraeon. So, mae'n helpu iechyd meddwl ni, okay? So, os chi moyn unrhyw beth, rho shout I tîm Cerrigon Active, os ysgolion, neu rhieni, os mae unrhyw cwestiynau, hela nhw mewn, Instagram, Facebook, just watch my loads of videos ar YouTube gyda ni. Yn gobeithio chi'n mwynhau y penwythnos, a wel chi'n fian. Ta-ra pawb! Oh, penglin! Oh! End the show. Oh!